Don't stop. Keep pedal. Keep pedal. Don't stop. Don't stop. Yes, keep pedal. Next right. Don't catch.
G'day. Do you mind if I just film you for a second? I've got maybe a surprise for you.
Yeah.
Did you lose a GoPro?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah. Long time ago at the color, right?
Yeah, in like January?
Yeah.
Well, guess what I found?
What? Oh my god. Have you found today or?
No, look, I found it a few weeks ago.
Yeah, at the color, right?
At Colorway on the
camera.
yeah.
You know the funny thing is I was thinking about the camera today.
Yeah.
And we were surfing the Polaroid. I saw that. Oh, I don't know where my GoPro is. Oh
Well,
my God.
there it is.
Wow, thank you very much. Wow. Wow. So if you knew that, this is like a January. I lost it in January.
January?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'll tell you the story. So I found that I was walking along the beach.
Yeah.
And I saw it just like in the seaweed.
Yeah.
And I picked it up and like it was all covered in barnacles.
Yeah.
So this was in like July.
Yeah.
And I took it home and it had some water in here because the lens had got cracked.
Yeah.
And but I dried it out and I took the memory card out and dried it out.
Yeah.
And I managed to see the videos.
Yeah.
And then I recognized you.
Now you're a champion.
Yeah. Wow.
If you're having a bottle of wine or something. You drink wine? You drink wine?
I don't drink wine, but that's okay.
I'm sure they changed the number.